Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. In this video, we shall be looking into sets. So sets are Python data structures which are created using curly braces and separating the elements with comma. We can also create a set from a list or a tuple, but we should make sure that we set that tuple with a set function. Let us dive into practical concept and see how we can create a set. So to create set, we said we have a method of using curly braces. So creating set using curly braces. So we can use curly braces by saying, let us create a set of string, set underscore of underscore strings. So a set of strings we represent with the curly braces. Then our first string, let's say A, B, B, C, D, and E. So each element in a set we separate with a comma, as you can see here. Now let us print our set. So set underscore of underscore strings. Here, then we can run. This is the set that we have created. And also we can have a set of numbers, set of numbers. And a set of number, you can just say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we print the set, set underscore of numbers. Here. So we have a set of string and we have a set of numbers. We can create a set by using a list or a tuple. So let's say creating using a list. And the good thing about sets in Python, they are mutable. They can be changed, they can be modified. That's the good thing. So we're going to move a list to a set. Let's say we have a list of numbers, list underscore of numbers. So a list of numbers is having 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is the list of numbers that we are having. And these numbers, we are converting them to a set. So we use the set function, then we put a bracket, then we pass the variable list underscore of underscore numbers. Then we print our new set, which is number. So as you can see here, this is our set that we have created, and you can see the numbers are well sorted in alphabet order. And then sometimes if you add more elements, for example, there is maybe duplication of numbers. Let's say 4, 4, and let's say 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8. The good thing about sets, it does not display the duplicates of the duplication of number, except in operation, because in sets we should have intersection, we should have union. So in this case, if you want to visualize only this set with a lot of duplication like this, it will arrange the set in ascending order, and it is going to filter all the duplications of the data. Let us run and see. Right, as I was saying that it will remove, it will take only one element, it will take only one value here, one value, and it ignores all the duplicates of the numbers. Okay, so we have successfully converted a list into a set. We can also modify, or we can add the elements to our set here. Let us call this set that we have created, because we are now having a set called the number. So let us call this set number. It's called number dot add. So you use the add method here. So to add the elements in a set, let us say hash adding elements to a set. We use the add method. So let us add 900 here. Let us run our code. Okay, now let us call number. Let us run. So we can see that at the end of the of the set elements, we can see that we have successfully added 900 there. But we have one problem in sets. For example, we want to remove elements from a set. In most cases, if the element that we want to remove is not in the set, we get it will raise an error, or you get an error. For example, let us say number, our set here, number dot remove. And if we want to remove the element which is there, for example, let us remove 1, then let us say number will be the 1 will be removed. As you can see, 1 is removed. But what if the element is not there? Let us say 9. We'll get an error, as you can see here. So this is where now error handling comes in. Okay, so here you just say try, you put except. This is a key error. So we print error. Let us say not in the set. We are notifying the user to know what is going on. So if we run our program here, this will be printed 9 is not in the set. What if the user enter a string, let's say A here, and run a program, A not in the set? So this is called error handling. So you only remove elements which are inside the set. If there's no values, you get an error only when you are using the remove method. But if we are using the method discard, let us use discard method. When you are using the discard method, in most cases, the set will retain the original set in its format. It will retain the original set. For example, let us take a look into this set that we are having, which is number dot, let us say discard method, and let us say A, print number. So what will happen, instead of raising an error, it will retain the original set elements. All elements will be retained, as you can see here. So I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.